Welcome back, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to reset Dolphin Browser to its default settings on a mobile phone if your browser feels slow. First, open the Dolphin Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the Dolphin icon. Then, in the menu that appears, find and click on the Settings icon. After that, click on Advanced Settings to see more detailed options. Then, inside the Advanced Settings section, look for Reset to Default and tap on it once. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to reset the browser settings. Finally, tap on Reset to confirm your choice and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. After this, Dolphin Browser will return to its original default settings, just like a fresh install. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others.